Hello, this is Timothy Burfitt from Twocanoes Software, and I want to show you a addition I added to the Automaton that will allow you to easily enroll with the user-approved MDM. So I've got an enrollment profile. This one happens to be for Mosel, but it could be for any MDM, including the MDM that's built into MDS2. But this one is just an enrollment profile for Mosel. And I have my Automaton plugged in that's listening on the serial port. And what the new command is it's just a command called profile, which means it wants to install the profile. And then you have a path where the profile is. In this case, it's on the desktop. So I just give the path to it. And then this is the administrator password. Obviously, you change that to be the administrator password. They put it out to the serial port, and the automaton's listening on the serial port. When it gets that command, it's going to say, hey, I want to go ahead and install that profile. So let me press enter. So the first thing it does, it goes to Finder and then opens up that enrollment profile, tabs over twice to the install, puts in that password that we provided, hits return, and then enrolls. So now the machine is enrolled and the user intervention, there's no administrator intervention required. And this can be done as a first login type launch agent, which can be adding to MDS, where the user account logs in as administrator, and then it sends that serial command off when the automaton's still sitting on the serial port, and it goes through and enrolls an MDM. So it's a great way to completely automate your process from beginning to end for getting it set up all the way through enrollment MDM without having to have any technician intervention. All right, so thanks very much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, as well as check back for more videos, and head over to twocanoes.com/MDS for more information on MDS. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.